that, and bring this, keep your hands on the rope,
Okay.
keep this top hand, put it next to your hip, and then like you just go down to control,
Okay.
and just let the rope run through your hand.
Of course.
And enjoy it.
And she's down there for
Take
you.
a picture?
Piece of cake.
Piece of cake.
Grin and bear
Take
it.
a picture there?
So, go? No.
You're doing a great job.
Oh, no, I've got my foot up there. Okay, goodbye, everybody.
Okay. Yay, Dot.
See you back on Earth.
Woo, hey, that's a shot.
Yeah, and she at the bottom can just grab the rope anytime. I did trust that. Only because I've never seen it before. Today it was my first time. I'm used to having a belay device that the rope needs to enter and leave out the top for it to go smoothly.